was just here in the MDC booth, and I can just say that it has been fantastic and honestly pretty amazing and innovative.
It's really cool. I did the F1 ride. It was really good. Got a personalized hat. You can also look at the robots. There's like mechanical hands.
And also we did the AI pictures and we had a lot of fun. We really recommend it and we love it.
The booth we have, hands down, one of the best. We are so proud that we've been able to partner with Exhibit Craft. They help us reach our audience, and that way we can build and foster and make Miami the #1 city in the world.